Dear student, this is Kamru Nahar. Today I am going to discuss about power. The term power is used a lot of times in our daily lives. But the word power has a definite meaning in physics. Now come to the definition. Power is the rate of doing work. In other words, power is the amount of work done per unit time. Or we can say the amount of work done per second is known as power. I am repeating, power is the rate of doing work. Rate is related to the time per unit time. So we can say that the amount of work done per unit time is known as power. Now, if work is denoted by W and time is denoted by T, then power P is equal to W by T. Again, I am telling, if work is denoted by W and time is denoted by T, then power is equal to W by T. Unit of power is watt. Dimension of power is mL square T to the power minus 3. Now come to this slide. This is very important to know. Work is nothing but the transformation of energy. Because power is related to work, so we have to know what is work. Earlier we have known work is the product of force and the displacement of the object due to the force. Or again I am repeating, W equal to Fs. Now I am explaining it, the transformation of energy. What is work? It is clear because W equal to Fs, we know that if a force is applied on an object and the force applied on an object and the object moves or traverses a distance due to the force is known as work. Again, I am saying work is the product of force and the object where the force is applied is displacement. W equal to Fs. So, come to this point, transformation of energy. If force is applied on an object, that means the object has some potential energy, and due to the force the object starts to move. That means potential energy transforms into kinetic energy. So we can say that work is the transformation of energy. I am repeating, if force is applied on an object, the object starts to move. That means potential energy that is stored in the object transform into kinetic energy. In every point of its motion, potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. So we can say that power is nothing but the rate of transformation of energy. Again, I am repeating, power is the rate of transformation of energy. Now, power is a scalar quantity as work and energy both are scalar quantity. In our everyday life, power is used and very important. I am repeating from definition to right here. Power is the rate of doing work, or we can say that power is the amount of work done per unit time, and power is a scalar quantity. We can say that power is nothing but the rate of transformation of energy, and the unit of power is watt. Dimension of power is mL square T to the power minus 3. Okay, it is clear, everybody? Dear student, Sometimes a question arises, what does mean by 100 watt of a light or bulb? It is very important for about 2 marks of question. Now I am explaining. If we switch on a light bulb of 100 power watt, that means in this bulb 100 joule energy being spent in each second. That means 100 joule energy is being sent in each second. This is the amount of energy and this is the time. We have earlier known that power is the rate of work, doing work. Okay, so if it is asked that what does it mean by 100 watt of light, then we can say if we switch on a light bulb of 100 watt, that means in this bulb 100 joule energy being spent in each second. Okay, thank you everybody.